What's up, everybody? Welcome to episode 7 of our app review series. I haven't done any of this since last one, which was December, there's my computer. But anyway, we don't worry about that. The next one we're going to review is MediaFire. Now, before I continue on with the app, though, I'm going to discuss about this before I go into the app. I'm sure you've all seen MediaFire before. It's basically a cloud storage platform. There's a website you can go to, and also there's the app, too. And you can upload files just like any other cloud storage, or you can share it and people can download it. I've actually downloaded files from MediaFire before, like programs people share from the internet, and I find them probably on a YouTube description. They'll have a MediaFire link to download something, just something like that. And they, so what you're going to have to do, well, if you want to use MediaFire, you'll have to create an account. I never created an account on the app, but when I started using MediaFire, I used the website. So what you're going to need is a MediaFire account. So you could probably create one using the app or the website, either the two. They also have an app for Windows, too, called MediaFire Desktop. So if you want to download that too, but now let's get into the app, shall we? Now there's an app that they released for Apple users, for iOS users, I should say. Now they've made this app for iOS, and they have just about everything, just like the website, MediaFire.com. And when you launch the app, you'll be able to log in or sign up to MediaFire, to that stuff. And if you have an account, you can just click log in or whatever, type in your email address and your password, and then you should be logged in. And then when you log in, all your files that you've uploaded before will appear on the app, and all your folders will be on there too. Now the good thing, I'll get to the good stuff later, but once you're there, it'll have all your folders and all your files in place. Once you log in, all your stuff shows up, and you'll ask about allow notifications and all the other stuff. And you can also do camera upload. So what this does, for some of you who don't know, what this will do is it will need access to your photos, your library, so it'll ask you that. And it will find all your photos/videos, and it'll upload those just like any other cloud services, like, I don't know, OneDrive, SugarSync, whatever. And it works when you do it. You can upload over Wi-Fi/cellular, but I'd probably better upload over Wi-Fi because I heard the power upload takes more battery life, especially if you have a lot of stuff to be uploaded. And when I allowed it, it uploaded like 200 of my stuff. Like, that even includes photos and videos into the camera folder. And when you have camera upload, it'll upload to the camera folder, and it'll go there. So MediaFire has 5 folders. And this also goes for their website and their apps, so you can see it. They have camera, music, photos. They got They have camera, photo. They have the folder camera, photos, music, documents, and videos. Those are the main folders that are built in when you sign up for MediaFire. And these are the 5 folders you can use. And you can make more you can obviously make new folders if you'd like. So for the music, if you want to add music in there, you just go to the music folder or whatever, and videos, wherever they go. And so they just go just as good if you just go like that. And they'll be on MediaFire just like that. So it should work just as fine. It also is good for displaying it, and it has all the good stuff on it loaded. And I've already rated the app too on the App Store, so you'll see Google searches my username when on the ratings. But anyway, here are the pros / cons of this thing. Now, the app, the first thing is the pro. Now, the good parts of this is we're first going to talk about audio. Now, if you have audio files such as recordings, music, etc., they will autoplay the next file that you have on there. Now, there's no other clouds providers that autoplay another one that you have. Kind of like YouTube with the autoplay thing on it. But it's just, but if you have anything like that, if you have anything playing at the bottom of the screen, there's a music mini thing. You can adjust the track position and all that stuff. It's at the bottom of the screen. And also, it'll tell you how much download the file has, which is also good because I share files too, and I want to know how many people downloaded my files, so I know, hey, this file must have been good, all that other stuff. And sometimes I upload YouTube videos I convert them and upload them. Also, another good thing is you can also rename them and share them and all that other good stuff. Now, that one is really good. The cons of this thing, though, which means very bad. Now, the bad parts of this, I also put this in my review on the App Store, is So let's say you're in another app, maybe Safari or a different, maybe voice memos or somewhere. I don't know, wherever you may be. I don't know, wherever it's an audio file, video, whatever. Now, or document. Now, let's say that you're on an audio or document or a video, whatever, and you want to share that file somewhere. Now, the MediaFire app, however, does not allow you to share things from other apps, which is not good, because I want to at least share something from another app. I experimented with this, and I think that's something another person said on the reviews, that it would not let you share files from other apps. Or, see, like you would think copy to MediaFire would be available when you're sharing something, but apparently MediaFire has not made that. I'm going to have to tell them that too. They have not made that possible. So, if it was possible, I would be copying things from other apps. 9 minutes. But no. Also, another thing that is not good is, another con I have is that when you're uploading something, when you click on upload or whatever, which is at not the very bottom, but it's at the bottom parts of the screen of the app, it only shows albums from your photos, like all the albums, and it doesn't really let you upload files from your phone, like from, I don't know, wherever, any other place you have, like let's say iCloud Drive, or let's say you have something there or somewhere else, and you can't upload that because it only shows your albums from your photos. And then my last problem here is on the half the bottom screen. A lot of those aren't compatible using the screen reader voiceover. Now, when you're uploading a file or checking info for your account, like your storage, feedback, and see, there's a thing where it'll show your account storage, it'll show your user email, it'll show how much you've used. If you want to go on that, and if you want to create a new folder, they'll just say the done button instead of what it actually is, which I don't know why that is, because it should be saying the whole thing. But it seems like everything else works with VoiceOver at all. Everything else works, but except for those few things. So I hopefully these things will work, because I would like it if it would fix it. So yeah, I hope it will work. So, well, that's my reviews and thoughts on MediaFire, the app. I've been kind of using this more than the website on my phone, because I've been using the website for months. I'm also having some problems with the website recently, since last week, so yeah. So, I hope you enjoyed this app review. The link will be down in the description for you to download it on the App Store if you want to. And I will see you guys in the next